We are going out for a little walk at Woodlands Historic Park. Going to go out and try out these binoculars. It's a nice day today. It's a bit sunny, sun's coming up, and the neighborhood is quiet. People are still, some of them in bed and some are at work. I guess let's come follow us to Woodlands Historic Park. We're going the way to Woodlands Historic Park, and it's just about 5-10 minutes from my home. It's a nice park. Interesting. We already lived here close to 12 years, but we have only recently visited this place. And it's a nice historic park. It's a heritage place where horse breeders used to, or maybe now they breed horses at this Woodlands Historic Park. It's a nice place for family, picnic, cycling, mountain biking, walk. This morning we're going for a short walk, and I'm going to try out the binoculars that I've just refurbished, and I'm planning to do a short documentary of this place because of its rich nature and wildlife there, with animals, birds. Yeah, stay tuned, and I'll show more when we arrive there. Okay. So we have just arrived at Woodlands Historic Park. This park opens at 9 o'clock, so the gate is still closed, but you can park outside and walk in. You can hear the birds, the sound of birds. So I've been coming here for the last 6-7 months, and can come here for mountain biking. Then I realized that there's a lot of pretty birds here, and I think it's worth looking and maybe do some nature photo video documentation of this place. And very rich natural wildlife here, a lot of kangaroos and a lot of pretty birds. And I believe there's also some birds which are actually seasonal birds, where they live other places here in Melbourne, and they will come here in specific seasons of the year. So right, for today's trip is basically I'm going to try out my little bino. And because the last trip here, which is last 2 Saturdays, we actually saw a heron. Actually, we saw a heron on the tree, so we are going back there and maybe just have a look and see what other birds are there around here. This is one of the bigger trees here, and we already seen a rosella, we have seen kingfisher, we have seen already about 6 or 7, 8 species of birds here. I really can't wait to come here again to capture the nice beautiful birds. There's a couple of rosellas up there. They're just sunbathing, sunbasking as the morning sun comes up and lighten up the park. And you can actually hear the sound of the birds all around. It's done for today. So today we're going back. So that was the first experience bird watching here in Woodlands Historic Park. I think we'll come back again, definitely. Beautiful. We came here just now close to 8 o'clock in the morning, and as the gate is actually closed earlier. It opened at 9 o'clock, and now people start coming in into the park. Definitely I'll come back with my equipment and probably take some photos and videos, and I'll show you guys. I'll share with you, and I'll probably share with you in my new YouTube channel, basically nature, landscape photography and videography channel. We're going to share more about photography, video, general outdoors photography, and for those who are interested in outdoors, and join me in my new channel, and take care, and bye bye.